This is the entrance to the La Fortuna waterfall. You go there, you buy your tickets right there, sign in, they give you a wristband, and then you go. It's nice. This is cool.
Wow, yeah, very cool. I say it was a forest.
Yeah, they said take about 15 minutes down and then 30 back up. So it's another little trail, but nothing too crazy. Beautiful views the whole way.
No walking stick on this one.
Nope. Got used to that.
Yeah, that was a luxury.
Yeah, yeah. Little restaurant. Souvenirs. What? Oh yeah, coming up. Coming up to the first stop. And I guess we go down here. I'm guessing. Oh wow. Holy moly. This is incredible. I don't know, dude. I see people down there. I thought I saw somebody walking.
Wow.
Crazy.
Beautiful.
So coming down, we have the first sign right here. Pause and read that. Then down here, tells you where to go to the waterfall. Let's go this way. Just follow the signs. I love the nature here. Getting a little steep.
There's a lot of stairs.
Yep. Oh shit. Guys, it is about 1,000 stairs. So yeah. Be ready to move around. Definitely. Oh, this is magnificent, babe. This shit is magnificent.
Wow.
Look at these trees and all this shit. This shit is magnificent. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Look, the people down there swimming, bro. Oh. Breathtaking. Okay. Wow.
How's the waterfall, honey?
This is, there's no words to describe how beautiful this is. And the water feels amazing, natural.
It's very cold though.
Very good.
But once you get in it, and you're in it for about a few minutes, you get really used to it and it doesn't feel cold anymore. But when you first get in it, it's very cold.
I didn't know there's little waterfalls over there.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, little baby waterfalls right there. Hello. You having fun, babe?
Amazing.
Tell the people how hard it is to swim out there.
You can't swim to the waterfall because the water, the current pushes you right back out. So it's almost like going against like a wave pool. But very good, very refreshing. I encourage anybody to come out here one time in your life. Here we go, headed back up. Back from the waterfall. Came from there. Now we go all the way up.
On the river.
Then we got the river down there too, which is cool. All right, let's go. Here we go. Hey, we just got some fried chicken. Ooh, okay.
It's called, I think it's called Donde Rochi?
It's right over here. Here, I'll show you. Is it too hot? Is it too hot? What you think?
Very good.
Okay, okay.
Very good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if you can see that well. What about light?
The light, let the light hit it.
The light glisten.
Ooh, golden.
Crispy, crunchy,
Good.
juicy.
Loving it? Them are Popeyes. Them are Popeyes.
Hot.
This are Popeyes.
This.
This, wow.
That's much better.
Heard it here first. About to try it out. So they just gave us a new room. Here, check it out. The cool sink in the middle. Nice view right there. What's in here? It looks like the shower. Shower. Okay, nice. Bathroom. Yep, standard. And you come over here. Say hi.
Hi.
Chrissy's there. Here's the nice view. Bam, he said you can see 3 volcanoes from here. Insane view of San Jose and some volcanoes in the back over there. And then we have the outside balcony. Let's check that out. If I can get the door open. Bam. And then this is the side view. Whew. Amazing. It's our last day in Costa Rica.
Yay, one more day.
Last day, we're taking an Uber and look outside, it's very nice. And we're on our way to where? Cam Breakfast and Bakery. So we'll take a look at the food as soon as we get there. But until then, we out here. Oh, that's done. Oh. And that's the place we ate. Damn. So what we're getting, it's like a turkey sandwich, some donuts, some of this. It looks good.
6 of them or something?
No, 18.
18? That's too many.
Too many.
It's way too many. That's fine with the cookie. We're fine.
Salt looks good though.
Ooh, this mini cake looks good.
Okay.
This mini cake is carrot. Cascade. 2000.
That's good.